Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoho projects using bulk export and reports detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Zoho projects data, first, log into your Zoho projects account. Once logged in, navigate to the project you wish to backup. Locate the Reports section in the left sidebar. Click on the Reports tab to open the reporting features. To export data, first choose the type of report you want to generate. This could include tasks, milestones, or time logs. Select the specific report from the available options. Click on the Generate Report button to create the desired report. Once the report is generated, look for the Download option. The Download option is typically represented by an icon or a button. Choose the format you prefer for the export, such as Excel or CSV. Confirm the export and wait for the file to download to your device. After the report is downloaded, navigate back to the main project dashboard. For a bulk export of multiple projects, return to the Projects section. Here, look for the bulk export feature, usually found in the Settings or Tools menu. Select the projects you want to backup by checking the corresponding boxes. Once you have selected the projects, click on the Export button. Choose your preferred export format for these projects. Stay on the page until you receive a confirmation that your export is ready. Once ready, click on the download link provided. The file will download to your device, containing the data for the selected projects. Make sure to store this backup in a secure location for future reference. Repeat the process as necessary to backup other projects or data types. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Zoho project's data is safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.